Welcome to BioTrack Training. In this module we're going to look at food safety menu, and we're going to explain what each of these submenus does. Every business, every organic food business is in some way required to maintain records of their various parameters that govern food safety, and with probably the only exception being arable farmers, and even in some cases they are required to maintain these records. It's more relevant to manufacturers and to dairy farmers, dairy, milk, egg and meat farmers, but also to restaurateurs, shops. So this is going to be relevant to basically everyone. The food safety menu is divided into 5 submenus. The hygiene registries menu refers to the registries of data that you're required to maintain, to keep, and this is further divided into a maintenance registry, a water quality registry, a cleaning and disinfection registry, a staff training registry, pest control registry, temperature control registry, which may be applicable to some people but not to all, and a registry of compliance checks against the previous registries. The next submenu is a menu of food safety tools which allow you to maintain your registries and to, in this case, auto-populate them. The first option here also allows you to store paper documents in the database, because you build up very quickly a large portfolio of documents referring to food safety, such as certifications from your health authority, documents on standards of production or hygiene, and it becomes a bit of a paper chase. So we've created a database where you can store the documents and recall them very quickly. So for example, if your organic certifying authority wants to see your health certification for a given period, you can just search for it in the document registry, show a copy of the original document on screen and print it out if they want a copy. The final thing in that in the tools menu is a health submission generator. This allows you to create new submissions to the health authority for certification of a new product class. So for example, if you're adding new products and you want to expand your range of products with the health authority, which you're obliged to do, this will help you build the submission that you need to give to them. These submissions are large documents and they're quite difficult to control, so we've built a generator that helps you to put these documents together, these submission documents together, and to control them. It also means that you can cut and paste from one submission to another, because very often the information in one submission is identical to the information in another. So it helps you not, it saves you having to repeat yourself again and again in multiple submissions. The next submenu is quality and testing, where we have a quality assurance registry and a product test registry. Quality assurance is inline production quality assurance checks that you do on your production, and product test registry is generally where you're having a finished product tested by an outside agency like a food safety laboratory, and these two registries are essential to maintain, and this is where you do it. We have a whole suite of food safety reports which can be accessed by this menu, and then finally one of the most complicated and one of the most important aspects of food safety is the HACCP, which all food producers are required to produce and maintain, and this submenu provides you with a place to create and maintain your HACCP for your entire operation. And that's the food safety menu, and we're going to look at each of those options in more detail in a few further modules. Thanks.